attacks, because we're in a spiritual war, and God does allow some major things to happen, sometimes to happen, like you lose everything for a bigger test, just simply because you're one of God. When you are one of God's strongest soldier, everybody, come on, Jesus, everybody think they're one of God's strongest soldier because they go through things, but some of these things are not. Some of these things are just generational curses. Like, you shouldn't even be going through it. Everybody don't get that title of God's strongest soldier. You get the title of God's strongest soldier when you intentionally walk into that war. When you intentionally start fighting your own demons. I'm not going to ignore depression. I'm going to look at depression as a demon. I'm not going to ignore the fact that I be feeling depressed. I'm going to go head forth, look into what that is. I rebuke the spirit of depression. I'm going to cast out demons. So that's intentional. When that does not work, right? Say somebody slandering you and they like, man, I just pray that this person don't get, or hope that this person don't get a nice person or something. And you're praying because you're covering yourself. You're speaking life over yourself. You might still meet that bad person, but it's not that your prayer is going to soften the blow. That has to go back somewhere.